Welcome to HCS and welcome to delivery day. Sat behind us now is the 1964 Maserati Mistral Spyder. This one is one of 27, which makes it very special. The reason why is because of the engine. This particular car has the 3.5 liter engine. They later went to a 3.7 and a 4 liter. This car, being the 3.5, makes it quite rare. As I said, one of 27 ever built, and just incredible, just so beautiful. We'll have a look at the interior as well. Look at that. Beautiful dash, beautiful dials. So Italian. We'll have a quick look around the car as well. As I said, one of 27 with the 3.5. This car recently was on a rally in Japan, as you can see here, and is at HCS now for a service. And yeah, once it goes back to the owner, he can enjoy it for the rest of the summer. We have been having a lot of sunny days, so this is definitely a good choice to take out of the garage. Anyways, let's close up and close the door as well. As I said, the car is in for service, so I think the boys are really gonna love this one. And yeah, there's the update from us, and we'll catch you in the next one. Talk soon.